Hello, hello. So as you may or may not know, we have a promo right now, 50 free prints if you spend $100. And we have the awesome Serene Waters new collection out and Showtime. So I wanted to get on here and show you guys how easy it is to order prints, and the quality is amazing. It's by far probably the best I've seen. And they print, if you describe your photos in your descriptions, they print on the back. So if you put the date or whatever, then it'll print on the back. And so you'll always have that information. Okay, I'm going to share my screen so that you, so you guys can see how easy this is. Okay, so first thing, of course, is make sure you're signed in. And I already have my cart all built up. Woo, $326. I just love all the new stuff. And you click on prints right here and click you that you own or have permission, blah, blah, blah. And name your album, I guess is what it'll be. I'm going to print some pictures from my recent trip to Minneapolis for the Creative Memories Conference. And then you need to upload pictures. And that is where? Oh, add photos. Upload photos. Find where I put them. Here they are. And if you don't recognize that lady, that's Noreen Smith that I got to meet. And then you click upload. And I don't know how long this is going to take. Hopefully not very long. There's 130 pictures. So close. So maybe you guys won't have 130 pictures to print, but I do. And see how I didn't name any of them? If I would have named them, those names would be printed on the back. That's pretty handy. If you come across a picture, you don't know what it is, and you're like, oh, this was August and blah, blah, blah. All right, so we've uploaded all our pictures. Select all, and you click done. And then you add to cart. Once you have them all selected, you can choose more quantities. You can add more photos if you need to. They're all printed in a 4x6 matte. Another good thing about Creative Memories is when you take cell phone photos, they're not actually 4x6s. I think they're 4x5.5 on your cell phone. So when you take those with your phone and get them printed at Creative Memories, it doesn't chop people's heads off. It actually prints them at 4, the 4x5.5. It's different. The not the resolution. You know what I'm trying to say. The distance, or I don't even know what the word is. You know what I mean. Instead of printing them 4x6 and cutting something off, they print them the way you took the picture. Okay. It says some of my photos are not good. That's because I downloaded them off the internet. Okay, add them to cart. There they are. Well, so look what else I'm ordering. I'm ordering the Serene Waters Buy It All bundle. It has 3 extra gifts for buying it. So I get the photo trimming template, the variety pack of peekaboo pockets, and the 5x7 blue photo case, 2 of them. Those are the 3 items when you buy it all. I got some of this at conference, so I'm just buying what I didn't get. The vellum, the variety matte pack, and the borders. I love the new Friendly Fish border punch. Super excited about that. I got the new 5x7 photo cases and the new 12x12 paper box. I'm excited for that because I can put my finished pages in it that are waiting for pictures. because the other thing I have, well, it's just too full. It would be fine if I didn't have it so full. And then I'm getting some catalogs and some surprise things. So here's where you put your 50 prints US, I think is the discount. Gosh. Yes, 50 prints US is the code. And then you check out, and it's that simple. Okay, so I hope you guys all go on there, place your orders for the new stuff, and don't forget your free prints. Even if you only want to print 50, they're free. So do it. All right, I hope you all have a good evening, and I will catch you all next time. Thank you.